welcome to Chef on the Boat, where I'll show you how to create large flavors in small spaces. Today I want to show you how to make poblano chili smash burgers. They are so delicious. They're crunchy on the outside and it's still very juicy on the inside. So on that note, let's go downstairs and get started.
You don't need to add minced shallots and roasted poblano chili, but I find it adds to the depth of flavor in the burger. After charring the poblano over an open flame, I let it cool before removing the skin and mincing. The secret to a juicy burger is the right amount of fat content. I find 85-15 mix of ground beef to fat is ideal for the burgers. 90-10 is too lean, and the burgers will end up being dry. I form the ground beef into 8 2-ounce balls. That gives 2 patties per burger, or about a quarter pound. Someone asked me the other day, what is a smash burger? Well, it's really nothing new. Just think of it as a twice the fun, delicious and juicy diner burger. The burgers are smashed very thin and briefly cooked, and this achieves 2 things. 1, it creates lots of great crust from the Maillard reaction, and 2, a very juicy burger if it's quickly cooked. The Maillard reaction is what gives that great crust and flavor to meats. It literally transforms the proteins, creating complex flavors and aromas, and gives meats, whether steaks or burgers, that wonderful meaty flavor.
You could easily cook these burgers on the stove with a cast iron skillet or a griddle, but it's summertime and I'm grilling.
I use brioche buns as they're much lighter and flavorful, but whatever bun you use, briefly toast it for about 2 minutes. You're probably thinking, mayo on a burger? But it actually really helps to bring out the flavors. For this version of a smash burger, I like to use my roasted Poblano-tomatillo salsa. It adds acidity from the tomatillos and a beautiful level of heat from the poblano chilies.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, buon provecho.